Yamna nungaitavadi akoi Manipur India ki Prime Minister, India ki Home Minister, India ki government Prime Minister si party amagi nate Prime Minister India ki Prime Minister haibasiti India ki ni akoi na su Manipur ki praja mayam nandana hange Manipur si India ki part manatra yamna hoi tawbiyu yai women bill Puthokpa bill ate Puthokpa parliament mayam Puthokhiba mayam tawbiri du Manipur gidamak special parliament Fambiduna Manipur ki solution se session am Fambiduna Manipur ki solution se Puthoknaba Hotnasi sahi ani hum henjal he akoi imai ben mayam sing se sida lepi riba mayam sing si adagi am sigi akoi hek haurakudagi ahaksu yaujaraga kano tawbiri tawjawni Lairiba relief camp the Lairiba Bible Mayam Singgi Mutandi Kanbiyu Sidang Asi Laigi Pagi Masigi men in a cut like guys the gi Kungang Sidagi Oina Lamding like Lasham like the Ama Adudagi Sida More the Gila Lairiba Lamding Higher Secondary relief camps like Riba Mayamam Suya Mayam Kandire unsolved mysteries Mayam Lagi the Bayung Mayam Kanan Halamano Mangiba Mayam Nasingaranda Sanskar Thokliba isa nusinaba isa ani magi nang da sanskar Thokliba mayam unrest Manipur da laire aduna central government na bu Manipur government laiba Manipur government siga pullaga masi solution ama tuna tawbe hairagadi yamna laina tawbi yai masi na covid matam dagi hawraga irang singa tawraga bank dagi loan lawba mayam imai bel no magi chara talaga chariba mayam Satragi situation Satra Mayam Singsi, say any ahum life was in a Tamakta Vibesi, Satra Mayam Sings the Akoy Manipur generation of Simang of it. Aduna, Asigi, Sahi Ahum, Suzalapugi, Akoy incident Asigi, Ahak, Mayambu, Akoy the lake, and Katsa Numit Asida, Mayam the Su appeal Tozeri, government the Su appeal Tozeri, Madudi Masigi Solusanama, Yamatuna Puthoknaba, one of you. Ona dargadi Manipur ki future karai dilai kadurvino Satra Singgi future Imai Bill Mayam Singgi future relief camp da maruina relief camp da lai ba imung manung Mayam Singgi future se masi kannaba thu na hona biu haidana